Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw a pig, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a curved line here to the right. Now draw the ears. Just following with me. Now draw the body, the leg, just following with me. And draw the tail. Draw two round big eyes, inside with a circle, and under the smaller circle, a curve inside. With 3 lines. And the nose. Now we have a pig. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.